What is the Pomodoro Technique?
The Pomodoro Technique is a time management method developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s. It breaks work into short, focused intervals called Pomodoros, typically lasting 25 minutes, followed by a 5-minute break. After 4 Pomodoros, you take a longer break. The goal is to boost productivity and reduce mental fatigue by combining work with regular, restorative pauses.
How do you use the Pomodoro Technique?
To use the Pomodoro Technique, pick a task, set a timer for 25 minutes, and work on the task without any distractions. When the timer ends, take a 5-minute break. After 4 cycles, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. This approach helps keep focus sharp and prevents burnout, making it easy to track progress and stay motivated.
Does the Pomodoro Technique really work?
Research and user feedback suggest that the Pomodoro Technique can improve focus and productivity, especially for people prone to procrastination or distraction. Its effectiveness often comes from breaking large tasks into smaller, manageable intervals. However, results can vary by individual and work environment, and some may prefer longer or shorter focus periods depending on their workflow.
What are the benefits at work?
At work, the Pomodoro Technique can help manage time more effectively, reduce overwhelm, and encourage regular breaks, which may support mental clarity and prevent burnout. Many find it especially helpful for repetitive, complex, or solo tasks. By making progress visible, it can also boost motivation and make large projects feel less daunting.
Are there any drawbacks?
Potential drawbacks include difficulty fitting the rigid intervals into unpredictable schedules or jobs that require frequent teamwork or communication. Some tasks may require longer, uninterrupted focus. The method is most effective when tailored to individual needs, so experimenting with interval lengths and break times can help find the right balance.